There will be a snowstorm tonight, supposedly starting at 12 a.m. I'd hate to miss the chance to play in it when it comes. I'll try my best to film footage as much as I can. That's Jane before the snowstorm. Alright, let's go check out the snow situation outside. Oh my goodness. And that's Jane during the snowstorm. I'm walking around town now. Capture some footage before cars hit the road, because as you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So there's like just one person cleaning his car. I think he's about to head to work. Good thing I don't have to work today, because it's gonna be ridiculous traveling through this. Check this out. Those trucks there are snow blowers. Anytime now they'll go around town pushing snow out of the way and sprinkling salt on the road just so the snow melts a bit quicker. That way when the time comes the cars start taking the roads, it wouldn't be too much of a hassle for them, because it's going to be dangerous, it's going to be slippery, and we don't want that to happen. One of the things you have to do here in the United States after it snows is that you have to shovel the snow to get it out of the street so people can pass. And that's what I'm about to do now. I'm also going to dig out Jane, our car, just so in case we need to move the car, it wouldn't be so much of a rush or so much of a hassle to try to get the snow off of her. Alright, so that's what snow looks like here in New Jersey. Hope you liked the video and subscribe to our channel to help us grow. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.